quadratic expression x squared minus 6x plus 5. First, let's write out our expression. To factor this expression, we need to find two numbers that when multiplied together give us the constant term 5, and when added together give us the coefficient of x, -6. Let's list out the factors of 5. Now we need to find which pair of these factors when added together gives us -6. Let's try 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 is 6, but we need -6. Let's try -1 and -5. -1 plus -5 is -6. That's what we want. So we've found our numbers, -1 and -5. These numbers will help us factor our expression. We can rewrite our expression as the product of two binomials. We'll fill in these blanks with our numbers -1 and -5. Remember, when we're factoring, we use the opposite sign of our numbers in the binomials. Let's verify this is correct by multiplying it out using the FOIL method. First, we multiply the first terms x times x is x squared. Next, we multiply the outer terms x times 5 is 5x. Then, we multiply the inner terms. 1 times x is x. Finally, we multiply the last terms. 1 times 5 is 5. Now, let's combine like terms. We have x squared from the first multiplication, then 6x from combining 5x and x, and finally plus 5. This gives us back our original expression. Let's also visualize this factorization on a graph. Here's the parabola represented by our quadratic expression. The x-intercepts, or zeros, of this parabola are at x equals -1 and x equals -5. The same numbers we found in our factors. In conclusion, we've factored x squared minus 6x plus 5 into the product of x plus 1 and x plus 5. We verified this by multiplying it back out, and we saw how these factors relate to the x-intercepts of the parabola